is you must be very, very careful.
I can keep on the TV.
Work, because the Canyon still is on the same assignment as your maths work for today. Please don't go into your maths work, so the red or blue or the blue or green.
Yeah, I'm allowed to talk
to
to
the
you for the
bottom
time
of the
being.
assignment where the list of work is, and click on the Can You Still.
Yeah.
Okay. We are coming back to class at 11:11.
11:11.
Okay.
Aha, it's like a dog.
Off you go.
Here's a Can You Still. I can just ask my Alexa, but...
Off you go.
Wait, one sec.
Miss, there's no names on there? On the Can You Stills?
There's not what, right, okay, right, bear with me a sec. Mrs. Green did this one, so hang on 1 second.
What the hell did I do?
1 second.
Put an A at the end. And then WHPA 4. So yeah, did it. Dude, I might have to keep on taking my heads off and stuff. This hasn't leveled up. It's leveled up. Oh yeah. It's melee damage. Yeah. Melee damage is gonna be a problem. 1 sec. Ooh, okay. Come on, boy. Let's load it.
So along the horizontal line, the line down line, we have the U that is going up in, what's it going up in? Hold on. 5. In 5, well done. Right, it says population in thousands, not just 10 or 20, it's 10,000 or 20,000. What interval is the population? No shouting out the answer, Victoria. Can you tell us what the population intervals are, please? What's it going up in, Victoria? 5. Not in 5s. 10s, well done. Now in between each section, what would this point represent? The one that I'm now putting now, what is that number going to be there? 55. Well done. I'll keep putting the 5s in because that's going to help you. So repeat line graph. Line graph is going to keep going on and on. Only population is 198. Miss Young, can you choose someone? She's here, but she's just gone off the screen for a bit. So can you tell us, Fatia, what the population was, please? 30 what?
The population is 30,000.
30,000, well done. Saeed, can you tell me what the population would be in 1995, please? Now, come on, there's 1995. Follow the line straight up, and then across to the numbers. 60 what? No, darling, because it's going up 1,000. 60,000. Okay, can we try Melambi? Tell me what the population was in 2010. Go all the way up. 19,000. Can you please tell me, Saeed, what the population was in 2005? Come on. 2005. Go up to the point. Go across. Tell me what the number is. What to do. Hannah, can you please tell me what the population was in 1985, please? Good girl. Well done. 40,000. Okay. Is Miss Young back with us? Yes. So no, that's absolutely fine. You just keep all time that's choices. Go down. They go down. Cool. Alright, nice. Tell us what the population would be in 2000.
It would be 60.
Now it's just perfect.
61 then.
Yeah, 61,000. That's great. Okay, let's have a look at the question. It says, what was the population in 1985? 1985, Saeed, can you tell me the population in 1985, please? 40,000, good job. Right, here's the next question. How much did the population grow? So there's 1990 and 2010. What's the scrambling round? Who we want?
Microphone off.
Who was called that? You have to continue that, please. No, it's clear. What was that scrambling? Right, okay, so we're now looking between 1990 and 2010. 2010 on the line, but the 1990 is kind of heading towards halfway. So what's the population in 1990? Please, Saeed?
40,000.
1990. Nope, it's halfway between 40 and 50, Saeed.
41.
Halfway between 40 and 50. What's halfway between 40 and 50?
45.
Thank you. So we have 45, but it's not just 45, Saeed. What's it going to be? 45. Good job. 45,000. Yasser, can you tell me what the population is in 2010, please?
Oh, there's another attack. Hold on. This is one attack.
Okay, so we have 90,000. That's not against
No, let's kill it.
And 2000 pounds. One subtract, one plus, one divide, one multiply. to take away. So I need to take away these. So can you do that please for me? And then raise your hand and work it out.
Know what I mean? Know what I mean? You gotta know what I mean. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? You gotta know what I mean. Know what I mean? Know what I mean?
You got your hands up this year?
Know what I mean?
Yeah.
Know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Me down to my celly. Only down nothing you can tell me. And she saying that she down and she with that. Say she get around and she with that. Every week with a kid. Really try to twist. All of my way to get lit. Cause of the grip. Then she gon' let me hit. Know that this what we did. Fall trying to catch me slipping. Grab all the that I need and I'm dipping. Cruise by again. In a minute. For all of my boys is tripping. We just living. Every time we pull out. No, she be leaving that. All in my crib. This sucking and I don't be throwing out bread. Bring some amigos, girl. Pull up without stilo, girl. On my clip, we 1-0, girl. None of my squad get pulled. We true, we the ones in your avenue. Trapping and trapping and trapping. All of my valuables show grow when we on. But I'm that's your girl on my I don't want no feelings cause I'm cold. All I do is
I forgot. Don't hit everywhere.
know what I mean. Know what I mean. You gotta know what I mean. Know what I mean.
There we go.
Know what I mean. You gotta know what I mean. Know what I mean. Know what I mean. You gotta know what I mean. Know what I mean.
What's some faction?
Population of 1985. So what's the population of 1985, Victoria? 1985. What's the population?
Know what I mean.
40,000.
We're looking at doubling 40,000. What is
Know what I mean. You gotta know what I mean.
Can you tell me
Know what I mean.
years? Thousand. Hang on, let's give them a second.
Come in, hit you with Larry J.
80,000. Anybody else?
Yes,
Yeah.
I just joined.
Yeah, hi Christian, I've been missing you the last couple of days. What's the excuse today? Why haven't you been joining?
Okay, so my grandfather on his phone he had the internet, and then he left England and went back to Romania.
Oh,
And he didn't have the internet, but then my mother found like an internet thing. I forgot what it was called, and then she put it in her phone, and now I'm connected to it.
alright, so who can give me the answer?
Kiana, can you put your camera on and show the touches?
Yeah, good one. And can you see Natasha?
Can't even see Tiana. Tiana, can you see something as well? Just the camera goes on my screen.
There we go, I can see them both.
Right, that's fine.
That's fine, I'm just letting Miss, okay, that's good. What's the line across Christian and Natasha? Have you found the one that you have recently, which is 130,000, right? Which year?
It's in the English side.
2005, well done. 2005 is 80,000 the population. So it says, when was the population double? The population of 1985, it was 2005. Well done, Amna, good job.
No.
Yes, darling?
Well, was I found out in 2005?
Yeah, go for it.
I looked at the number and then I just went across to the door and then I went down and then I thought it was
Let's start
match the
trying.
graph to the activity. Now this time,
Oh, yeah.
all we know for the horizontal and for the vertical is that we've just got a word. We haven't got any numbers on this at all.
Watching.
So we know that all of
Does.
the horizontal axes are
Oh,
time
22.
and all of the vertical
Okay, let's go to the
distance
but 22.
from the start. So it says match the graph to the activity.
Need
So
a
I'm going
lot.
to read these and you're going to have a go at which one are they matched to, and then you need to explain why. A car the same speed on the motorway. Which one of these do you think it would be? Let's give them letters A, B, and C. So can we have hands up for A, please? Who thinks it's going to be graph A? A car travels at a constant speed. So we've got Fatia with a hand up. Anybody else? Isaac's reckoning. Christian, not sure he's got his hand on his head. Right, okay.
Miss maybe not A.
What did you say, Dilly? Are you actually voting for A, did you say? Yeah. Okay, you're voting for A. Let's look at this one. A car is parked outside a house. Which one is it going to be? You think the second one? The car is parked. And then this one, a car drives to the end of the road and back. So you need to work out which one of these goes with which one of these graphs. What an interesting question. That's a real brain teaser, this is. Easy brain. Would somebody like to talk me through what they think? And why? Saeed, can you talk us through it, please, Dylan? Which graph goes with which writing? Right, what writing? Tell me the writing, tell me the graph. Okay, so which one is that going to go with? A, B, or C? Why do you think that? Because of the distance. The car is parked outside the house. So you're saying that we've got time. So this is time moving on. This is distance from the start. And you're saying the car is parked outside the house, so nothing's changing. Any other ideas?
I think so. A is with A high covered the constant
And why do you think that?
I don't know, but I just saw the constant speed there.
Okay, constant speed, right? You sure? Go on.
The line is just so kind of, it just goes me off my head that.
It would be exactly the same. Remember, there's nothing about speed on here. There is distance from the start, and there is time. Neither of these axes have speed on it. Look at this one here. I think this is one to match. The car travels at constant speed on the motorway. The car is parked outside a house. The car drives to the end of the road and back. Yes. The car drives to the road and back. Distance and back. Alright, so we've got one. Just got the other. What about the car is parked? Yes. Yes. Yes, Fatima, I get where you're coming from. Because at first glance you think, oh, it's going to get a constant speed. But actually, this one is going to constant speed because it's the same speed each time, but it's getting further away and it's travelling for longer. So that is the constant speed. Okay? So the constant speed goes there. So that's alright, we got there eventually. Okay, now but I'm going to have to get rid of that because I need to go on to a new smartboard. So your work today is consolidation. Practicing all of the skills that we've used taught you to do with tables and looking at line graphs and working out problems. And then you've also got some times table, solving some word problems in time. You need practicing telling the time and telling the time to solve some problems. So you've got 2 maths that you need to finish. Well done to Anna, Melandin, Erikas, Natasha, Jaying, Victoria, Khadija, Yasser, Lydia and Yorsula for completing deconverting between 12 and 24-hour clocks. And well done to Victoria, Erikas, Yorsula, Jaying, Khadija, Melandin, Yasser, Lydia, Natasha and Anna for completing tables and line graphs. Good job everybody, well done. So I haven't got a line graph for Saeed. And Saeed, it doesn't look like that you did the 12 or the 24.
I don't know.
Did you hand it in late, sweetheart? Because when I looked at this about 4:30 last night, it wasn't in then. It's all right, Pet. If you've handed it in later, that's absolutely fine. I'll have a look at it. Hannah? Oh, no worries, Hannah. It could have been a bit later, sweetheart, because I know you're moving house at the minute, so I'll just have a check.
I did it before I even went there.
All right, sweet. No, that's fine. Okay, ladies and gents, so I'm going to get up now the next PowerPoint. Not PowerPoint, what am I talking about? Next smartboard. So that we can look at. Actually, I wonder if we could do that and have a go. Because there's a pre-chapter assessment. Okay, let's just go back in. See if I can get this out. Now this is pre-chapter assessment because we're moving on to do fractions. So why don't we have a go at doing this all together? I'm hoping it will come up, but as I said, I have a few issues today with my computer. There it is. Okay, it's coming on the board. Yeah. Coming on the board now. Can you see that, my lovelies?
Just loading, yeah.
Okay, so let's have a go. Remember, the reason that we're doing year 4 is because obviously we've got gaps from our year 4 learning, so we need to test what you know from your year 4 learning so that I can fill in those gaps. Alright, so let's have a go at this pre-assessment. So we're thinking fractions now, moving on. What fraction of a shape is shaded? Shaded means colouring in. So can you write down on a piece of paper what you think is coloured in there, please, as a fraction? And once you're done, put your hand up, please. Are we missing Yoursalem today?
Yeah, she hasn't popped up yet.
Right, I'm just...
It always complete.
Right, no Yoursalem. Erikas isn't with us either.
Yes.
Oh, is he? I'm so sorry, Erikas. So sorry, Kat. Who else have we got? We got Lydia.
Nope.
No, so no Lydia. I'm just sending a message to the other teachers to let them know who is not here. No, Jia Ying, she's mine. But they're sharing a group, so that's fair enough.
No, Ravina.
No, Ravina, she's mine. I'll follow that up. Derek? Yes.
Vladimir.
No Vlad. Okay, I'm just sending that. Thanks. Okay, have we got hands up, please? Sorry, say that again.
Khadija.
Khadija. written that down as well. Okay. So, let's have a look at this first shape. Can you tell me what shape this is? Can you tell me what shape this is? It's got 5 sides. What shape is this, please? It's a pentagon. A pentagon, well done. A pentagon has 5 sides. The pentagon here has actually it's got 2 sections shaded. So what fraction has been shaded? How many pieces are there altogether? 5. So it's going to be what? 2 bits. You gonna let me type on it? Yep.
If you don't need to speak to the teacher, can you put your hands down, please?
So in 2 bits. I just want to write. No, it's alright, sweetie, don't worry, it's fine. Just need time to get
It's like he was asking a question or trying to answer.
Oh, no worries. Redacts. It's a bit confusing. No worries. So we've got. Ooh, can I type in there? Ooh, get me.
Ooh, look. Like,
2 fits. Yeah, very exciting. We've got 2 fits. Okay. Here's the next question. What fraction is the arrow pointing to? What fraction is the arrow pointing to? Remember that a fraction is less than 1. So what is the fraction that it's pointing to? What do you think? 5. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it's 5. 5 what? Out of how many altogether?
You can move up on the. That'd be a problem, please. I don't like one.
You just give me a decimal point. Incorrectly, you give me a decimal. I want a fraction where you have a numerator and then you have a denominator. Because that numerator is divided by the denominator. So you tell me the numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But out of how many altogether?
Miss.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not 8. 7. Thank you. The 5, 7. Okay. What is 2 ninths add 5 ninths? Can you write it down,
Okay.
please? 2 ninths add 5 ninths.
Let's chill. Have to finish the job.
Anybody, Miss Young?
I wonder what this
Go
one.
for it, Christian.
7, 9, 7.
7 ninths, good lad. So we've got 2 ninths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ninths. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little box there.
I got it right.
You got it right. Good job. 10 ninths. Okay, this one has a word you might not have heard of. The word is equivalent. Does anybody know what equivalent means? Can you see a word in there that you think, yeah, I know what that word is? Do you recognise any letters put together that make a word that you recognise?
I think.
Go on then. So equivalent means same as. So here it says 1/3 is the same as how many
Dude, hello?
same as
Hello?
how many 12ths. So you just need to
You
count
can't
how
talk.
many 6, how many 12ths are the same as 1/3.
Tech pause now.
Do that for me. Please write that down. Isaac, I'm going to ask you in a minute.
Miss, I keep on lagging and I can't really hear what you're saying.
Okay, so I've asked you, you can hear me now. There's 1/3. Tell me how many sixths is the same as 1/3 and how many twelfths is the same as 1/3. Have a go, Isaac. How many sixths is the same as 1/3?
What, like 1/3 is 1/3?
It's 1/3. How many sixths is the same as 1/3?
I don't know. I'm not good at
There's
that.
1/3.
Yeah.
Let's follow that line down.
Yeah.
How many sixths is the same size as 1/3?
6.
Right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6.
6.
So it's not 6 6 because we're only looking at 1/3.
The screen's quite small, so I don't know if you can read it properly, because I'm struggling with
Do
that.
you know what? Can I make it a bit bigger? Is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that better? Okay, no worries. Do you want me to make it bigger again?
No, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. Okay, so here's 1/3, Isaac.
Yep.
I'm just drawing around it now.
It,
I'm going to take that line and I'm going to go down. How many sixths is the
2
same
sixths.
size? 2 sixths. Good job.
Now I get
Christy,
it.
can you tell me how many twelfths is the same size as 1/3?
I found anything with that.
How many twelfths is the same as 1/3? You
I
know,
want to go
Christian.
Maybe kill some
Oh, well
piranhas.
done.
There's a
So we
megalodon.
have 1/3 is equivalent to 2 sixths, equivalent to 4 twelfths. Alright, this time we've got
Your
1.
son's just joined now.
Alright, Roslyn, you're very late. Why are you so late, sweetheart?
Nothing really too bad.
I was doing the work that I forgot that I had math.
Okay, well the maths is on at 11 every single day, pet, okay? So you need to be keeping that because you're now halfway through the lesson, sweetheart. We're looking, because we
That
finished
is a
line graphs
freaking
now,
megalodon.
so we're looking at
Oh.
pre-assessment and preparation for our new maths topic, which is
But so that's
fractions.
2/4.
So
Damn,
just
I'm
how we
learning
go in
stuff
all
here.
together.
So,
So the next one I want you to look at is
how to
1.
make 1
So
6
notice here,
2/4.
Anna, that is 1. But you need to tell me how many twelfths is the same as 1. Anna, how many twelfths is the same as 1? How many, Anna?
12 ones.
Count the twelfths.
Oh my god. 8 and 9.
Your son, wake up, please.
What else?
Okay, if not
So-
Anna, your son, can you
so-
tell me how many twelfths is the same as 1 whole, please?
12.
12, good job. Yasser, can you tell me how many sixths is the same as 1 whole?
Listen to 11.
How many sixths? Yeah, how many sixths are there?
25,
The
yeah.
same
5
as 1 whole.
Yeah, that's it.
6. And then
That's taking damage.
Victoria, tell me how many
Alright, that's
thirds
easy fight.
is the equivalent same as 1 whole.
Oh, miss.
3,
Doesn't
good job. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Yes.
Normally,
Yep, focus on it.
you guys just get time and you do this on their
Oh,
own.
no,
What I thought this year we'd do is we'd have a get together because I'm getting the gaps already. This says complete the part whole models. This is 1 model. This is 2 models. This is 3. So we have 1 whole. We have 3 eighths. What's going to be the missing number, do you think? To make 1 whole, how many more eighths do you need? raised her hand. Who's that? Amna. Go for it, Amna.
No, it's 11.
How many more do you need to add to 3 to get to 8?
That's good.
There's 5. There's 8. Okay, 3 away. How many have I got
Oh
left?
my god, take it away. I don't count.
5. So it's 5 8s. Now will this let me know? Yeah. 5.
There.
Okay, let's have a look at the next one. This time it's not 3 8s, it's 3 6. You've got 5 bits as a whole. You take 3 away. How many have you got left, guys?
2.
2. So the answer would be 2 fifths. Oh, I want to write now, didn't I? I got too excited. 2 fifths. Okay, what about this one? This time it's 3 fifths, but this time it's 2 wholes. So if you have 5 fifths in one hole, how many are you going to have in 2 holes?
10.
10. So now we need to do how many more are you going to need to get to 2 holes? What do you think, somebody? Steve, you've gone very quiet. You're obviously really confident with line graphs, but this could be a missing gap in your learning when it comes to fractions. What's your time?
5.
So if you're going to 1 hole, there's your 5, you take the 3 away, how many have you got left? 2. Now that's 1 hole. 2 holes. How many more fits? You need to put in 1 and 2 fits. Or it could also be 7. Whoever's got their mic on, would they kindly switch it off, please? Annie? Oh, hello. Yeah.
Don't understand.
No, don't worry, Christian. Remember, at the beginning of every topic, we do one of these tests to see where the gaps are. So you're basically telling me you've got a lot of gaps when it comes to fractions. And that's fine, don't worry. But I want to finish this assessment before we start the work, okay? Because it tells me as a teacher, and it tells Miss Young as a teacher, where we need to work. Annie is counting in quarters. How many quarters are there in a whole? Somebody tell me how many quarters there are in a whole?
3.
No, not 3 quarters.
2.
Like to see that out of it.
99.
Wow. Okay, we're going a bit random. Can you all, on your pieces of paper, draw a circle, please? And then can you divide it into 4 equal parts? How many equal parts of 4 get in a whole?
I do circle and then I divide it there and then there's 4 pieces.
That's 4 pieces. So we're counting in 4s. 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters, 6 quarters. What is the next fraction that Annie will say? What could it be after 6 quarters? What could it be?
7.
So it could be 7 quarters. It could be 7 quarters.
12?
8 quarters.
Well, look at this one as well, because it's got 1 and 3 quarters. So that would be 7 quarters. So there are 3 possibilities there. I'm going to stop this test because I think I've got enough evidence, Miss Young, to tell me where we need to go with it. So I'm going to go from that. I'm going to get rid of it. Just as I said, give me time, please. Just right, that's gone. Okay, I'm going to go on to something else.
Miss,
That. Yes, darling.
I think fractions is really challenging for me.
Do you know what? So many Rachel is exactly the same, but actually it's just not. It's not at all.
This, my dad told me my fracture, so that's why I know them.
But you're not, darling, because you couldn't answer most of those questions. So I'm thrilled that you're feeling good about it, but actually there are lots of missing gaps there. And as I said, missing gaps are fine, we just need to fill them. Now, if you knew everything, you'd be able to answer all of the questions on there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just loading up the smartboard, which we're going to make a start today. Just make a start. Okay, can you see that? No. Right, so hang on, I'm just going to present it. Not a problem. Yes, gorgeous.
Why can't you just put on our homework for the, the test you were saying about?
Yeah, I can see it.
An option. I'm just, because you see I put it on Jamboards, not everybody can get Jamboards. I could put it on a Google form, but not everybody can access those. So what I thought I'd do today to you is just have a go at it as a whole class to see where the gaps were. So can you tell me what the key word is today? Data. A little bit more on data to finish up, which is fine. So I want to do a little bit more on those, because remember, we're just coming to the end of the line graphs and tables, and I just see where you were with fractions, because I need to plan and get everything sorted for next week when we finish this. So we're back to tables. Not times tables, these are tables with data, information on. The number of flights departing from 3 terminals. At an airport, you have different terminals, different sections of an airport, where different planes fly to different places in the world, and they're called terminals. At a certain airport on a Friday evening is shown below. So we need to know our 24-hour time. What is 1830? It's an analog time.
6:30?
6:30. 30 to 6:59. What about 1900? Yes, 7 o'clock to 7:29. And then we've got 7:30 to 7:59. Then we have 8 to 8:29. What an improvement this year. 8:30 to 8:59. 9 to 9:29. 9:30 to 9:59. And then 10 to 10:29. Okay, here's the question. What can we say about the number of flights departing? Who can remember what the word departing means? Depart. Go away. If she was to depart from this maths lesson, she would depart means to leave. What can we say about the number of flights departing from this airport on that Friday evening? Look at the numbers. Terminal has departing. Look at the numbers. Terminal has most planes departing. You don't need to add them. I just like you to look at the numbers.
I think it's terminal 2
Why do you think it's terminal 2?
because they have the bigger numbers.
Great. Yeah, I think that's great. And no, you don't need to add them. And then look at terminal 3. Terminal 2 has zeros in there, so you're definitely right. Terminal 2. Can you please add together how many planes left from terminal 1, then terminal 2, and the terminal 3? Okay, guys, so I need you to add number, this one, 5, 6, 7, 4, 2, and 1 to give us terminal 1. Then I would like you to add 11, 9, 8, 4, 4, and 3 to give us the total for terminal 2. Then I would like you to add 5, 0, 7, 4, 0, 5, 1. Total for terminal 3, please. I'm going to do the same. Thumbs up when you've done it. Yeah, that's fine. I'm still doing it too.
Yes, I got the first one.
Me too. I've done the second one. On to the third one now. Right, I'm ready when you are. Can somebody give me the answer for the first terminal one? How many flights altogether for terminal one?
31.
31. Good job.
And the second one's 50.
50. Good job. Has somebody worked out the third one yet? Come on, quick. First one.
It's 23.
23. Good job. All right. Here's the next question. It says, what times have the most flights? So now you're looking at the times. So you're looking at the vertical column. We were looking at horizontal. Now you're looking at vertical. So which time have the most flights? So you're now going to need to add these three numbers, these three numbers, these three numbers, these three numbers, these three numbers together. What is 11 add 2 add 5? Quick. 18. What about 4 add 9? 13. How many you're doing the next one? What is 5 add 8 add 7? 5 add 8 add 7.
20.
Thank you. Can I please have Victoria doing the next one? No shouting out. 6 add 4 add 8. Victoria, 6 add 4 add 8. Gianna, 6 add 4 add 8. Natasha,
Yeah, I'm just gonna get top.
18. Thank you, Dylan. 18. Can I please have 7 add 3, please, Victoria? 10. Thank you very much, Victoria. Can I have, without support from home, 4 add 4 add 5, please?
13.
Good job. We're back in the game. Can I please have Lalanding 2 add 4?